Hey there, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to level up your Synthesia videos. Let's jump right into it, shall we? When it comes to animations in Synthesia, they've got quite a few options, but sometimes you want to kick things up a notch. So, here's the secret sauce. Look down at the bottom for those animation settings. Click on the velocity drop-down arrow and choose the bounce option. Voila! See how it adds that extra oomph? But hold on, are you still using static icons in your videos? Well, Synthesia has a surprise for you. You can now add animated icons. Crazy, right? But wait, there's more. You can even tweak their colors and decide whether you want them to loop. Now, let's talk about audio. Sure, AI-generated voices are cool, but they're not always perfect. But don't worry, here's a trick for you. To insert shorter breaks, just add a comma. Need a longer pause with a downward inflection? Easy, just use a period. And if you want to emphasize specific words or parts of a sentence, throw some quotes in there. Try it out for yourself to see the magic happen. And there you have it, a sneak peek into how you can elevate your videos with Synthesia. But guess what? This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to unlock the full potential of Synthesia and take your videos to the next level, we're here for you.